Hello, welcome back to another stream, guys. Uh, yes, we are live on Saturday. That is crazy. So what we're gonna do? What you gonna do? We don't have gold today. What are we gonna do? We are gonna live stream BTC. Okay. So pretty much excited I am about the BTC. Then how it's gonna move and this and that. You see, right? BTC fell. उसके ऊपर मैंने एक वीडियो बनाया था एंड आई होप यू गाइज हैव सीन इट. नहीं देखा तो मैं एक बार तुमको दिखा देता हूँ. आई मीन दिखाऊंगा नहीं पूरा बट लाइक थोड़ा. दिस इज द वीडियो दैट आई एम
तो
टॉकिंग
बहुत
अबाउट.
सारे लोगों ने सोचा
Okay, it's like a full explanation on BTC. What was the reason behind the fall? What can we do now as an investor, as a retail trader, or as just an intraday trader? Okay, so what you can do in the situations and how you can go about it when it comes to BTC. And yeah, you guys can go watch this video and let's get into this, man. Simple as that. What you are able to see right now, that market took support from this level and it is trying to like respect the trend line that you are able to see here. Okay, but that is pretty nice. That is not the issue. That is not the issue. But the issue is, uh, let me just do this thoda side mein. Yeah, better now. So the issue is that we don't know if market is gonna respect this to this line, or is it just gonna bounce, is it just gonna cross that line. So we are at 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame looks pretty all right. Okay, so market might come to like this level again and take liquidity and might able to like break this level, right? But we don't have that confirmation as of now. So what we're gonna do? So we are at 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, it is pretty much all right. It is going up. It is in a good bullish trend, right? But what we can expect, there are these levels that are pending above, right? So is it gonna directly go to this level, touch that level and then come back, or is it gonna just come back and then go up, right? So we'll figure that out in like next 5 minutes. Simple as that. Okay, so we're not worrying about that. Another thing, another thing. Yeah, this candle is pretty nice. Okay, but I feel like this candle might reject because this is just like a half of the time. That candle, it's like a 30 minute, right? Half time, crazy as half time. Okay, also I haven't shared the link in my community, so let me just do that quickly so people, if they want to come, they can. This is like a 1 hour time frame. It is looking pretty slick, pretty nice. Okay, no complaints about it, and it is pretty much going down. The only thing is that, is it directly gonna go down or is it gonna retest off of that area? So if it's gonna retest off of that area, we will have a chance to sell BTC. Okay, but that's not gonna be a very big. Okay, let me just see that we are live. Okay, live now. सैटरडे को ऐसे मूवमेंट आना, इट इज़ लाइक वेरी रेयर दो. It is very nice. Oh, the fall is very nice. It is respecting that line so nicely. Okay, the only thing that we have to look at here right now, you will be able to see right what happened here. Okay, so this area was gold was BTC was moving into. I might say gold beach mein, so just assume that it is BTC. Okay, because I'm kind of used to gold. Okay, so right now you'll be able to see this box, right? What this box really shows you, it shows that market was accumulating at that area, right? And what happened after that, you will be able to see this breakout, right? This breakout was not the breakout that usually happens. This was a manipulation that market tried to did, right? And it did came to this level, respected this line. So where this line is coming from, this line is coming from the 1 hour time frame. Then we will be able to see market did respected that line there, and it came back and it respected that line here, and market came back from that exact level. It should have manipulated more, but accurate तरीके से अगर नीचे आ रहा है, then we have a time, so market can retest and we can take some sort of position from that level. Simple as that. Okay, 15 मिनट के टाइम फ्रेम पे अगर तुम देखोगे, इट इज़ वेरी सिंपल. ऊपर गया, इस लेवल पे थोड़ा मैनिपुलेट किया, ये सॉरी अकोमुलेट किया, यहाँ पे मैनिपुलेट किया, नहीं डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड एट दिस पॉइंट, एट दिस लेवल, राइट. बट you'll be able to understand that it is very simple that market created this pin bar and उसके बाद डायरेक्टली यहाँ से फॉल हुआ. दैट इज़ काइंडा सस, आई वुड से, ठीक है. बिकॉज अगर पूरा ही नीचे जाना होता, इट वुड हैव मैनिपुलेटेड मोर. आई दैट इज माई बेसिक पर्सपेक्टिव अबाउट BTC. Simple as that, right? And right now you are able to see that BTC is kind of rejecting off of this area right now. So how we can go about it? Okay, let me just do this first. Okay. So there is nothing in gold, so BTC will be able to do this. Not 1 minute, man. Let's go to 15 minute. What are you able to see? That market is kind of rejecting off of that area. So rejection can happen here, and you might able to see market traveling to this level, because this is like a breaker block that market created. So I will not be surprised if market does this. Okay, at this point, honestly, I'll not be surprised. But the only thing is that we need to be very cautious about it, that how market wants to play here. Also, another thing that you'll be able to see right here, that we have okay. All right. Okay, we can go for a buy position till this level. Simple as that. At least this level. We can buy BTC for some time. Oh, the slippage is crazy, dude. The slippage is crazy. You saw that? The slippage is crazy. Yup. As I told you before. You know why? Because you see this candle with no wick, right? Market will travel to that level at least, if it wants to come down also. So that is my target. Simple as that. No rocket science to it. No rocket science. And you'll be able to see market traveling to that level very much soon, right? And 1 minute time frame pe you'll be able to see these candles are good. The back to back green candles are looking really nice here. Okay, so quick scalp, I would say, just because there is no wick here. Okay, so, and also we'll be able to see this breaker block right here. Market might travel to this level. Simple as that. Okay, and the worst case scenario where market can travel to this level, because the wick was here, the rejection was here. Simple as that. Okay, cool. This candle might reject. ये कैंडल रिजेक्ट कर सकती है. This candle will reject it like next 1 minute. Let's see. If it's gonna take it to stop loss also, I don't mind. The only thing is that the setup should be good, and the overall perspective towards market, that should be good. The intention should be good, and the way you trade, it should be good. Okay, it is looking not looking nice at all. Honestly, I'm telling you. Okay, that shit just got over. Where this market really wants to travel. Okay, it is going in a direction that where you are. I am actually not expecting. I was expecting that it should come to this level. Simple as that, and then it might reject from that level. But yeah, I guess we have to observe more. But I'm still in the trade. I'm not gonna cut that trade. I just like we're still here. Okay, so this much we can take. More also we can take. The only thing is that the whole perspective behind this also, because it is supposed to go up. Simple as that. Let me just show you the real perspective that what I'm really getting into and what I'm really planning. The whole structure is very bullish, and I definitely want to go with the market, not against the market. So I have like a high hope from BTC that it might give me some good levels. Simple as that. Okay. And what are we looking at here on like a, let's go about this is the right way to go about it. Simple as that. All right. Cool. Chalo. Get ready to book some profits. Uh, you might not able to see this somewhere else. Where the fuck is this arrow going? It's so irritating. Wow, how big this shit is. Okay, all right. At least we're gonna hold till this level, if not more. If not more, okay? Simple as that. Uh, it is moving not so good right now. The candles are too small. The candles are too small. Too small. The candles are too small. That's like the only problem we have right now. It's looking nice. Not bad. We're very close to the break even and the profit. I was definitely expecting the manipulation at that area. The only thing is that it is like a very crucial that market fell suddenly, right? When you see some levels and market just goes down directly without even manipulating and without even like doing some shady ass thing, that is a fishy to me. When market is not being fishy, that is fishy to me, right? So that's why we took this buy. Also, you'll be able to see that on 5 minute time frame also. There is this candle, it has no wick. There are order pending, there are some order pending at that area. Second thing, you'll be able to see that we have this 5 minute FUG that market has traded into, so I'm not very much thinking about that. I might think about this actually. This one is interesting to me, the 5 minute FUG. This one is kind of interesting to me. Which one? We'll come live tomorrow also, afternoon. So let's see. It is trying to create that W, but the only thing is that it should not reject off of that area quickly. It should directly break that level, because that would be interesting moment for us to see also. Okay, we are in profit now, pretty good. uh, Let me just do this real quick. Yep. Okay, works now it works. Okay. Okay, nice. 30 USD. uh, it might accumulate at this area for some time. Okay, not much, for some time. Oh, my bad. Okay. Let me put on some more lights. Expect the unexpected today and let's fucking do the shit. All right. We are in profit 23 USD. Not much, not much, but. The only thing is that what I'm looking at is the rejection that market did. Vivek Prasad is back in the chat, boy. Okay. So, guys, you came too late, brother. Too late, too late. But not that late because we're just getting started and like I was just warming up with this trade. Yeah. What is I'm not. What is it? No, no, I'm not here to trade. Yeah, yeah, that's fine, dude. I just said late in a way like lost the funded account. Yeah, yeah, you told me, right? Oh yeah, I have to like text you also. My bad. थोड़ा मैं बिजी था यार घर पे कुछ मतलब कुछ काम चल रहा था and like you know. So yeah, I'll get back to you ज़रूर ज़रूर ज़रूर. ठीक है. The only thing is that this candle was pretty nice. It did not reject off of that area, so that means it wants to continue going up. If it will go up, then at least it should go to. Oh yeah, at least it went to this level, right? So that was right. We were right about this. That market, this wick, this candle has no wick, so it will go to that level because when there is no wick, that means there are some order pending at that area. No, 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 don't take. Just say here. Okay. Hmm. So I don't clearly remember like you said something about account being like you did not take your account खुद के नाम पे and then like it got like they had to do something and but like okay, just one thing I would like to say. First thing, uh you heard the voice message, right? Yeah, I heard. So it was related to private family stuff and you being 18 and like you being like they are not like trying to give you full confidence about it. Okay, I'll be very honest. So here is the deal, Vivek. The first thing I'm gonna say, stop fucking overthinking. You're a kid, okay? Stop fucking overthinking. You're just a kid. Stop being hard on yourself. Chill out. Chill the fuck up, dude. Like, I mean, the amount of like the I heard the voice note, and after that, the way you're talking on the voice note, it just pissed me off in a way like, what the fuck is this guy doing? Chill the fuck up, okay? You have plenty of time in your hand. Don't be like, oh, I don't have time. Bro, you have time, okay? There are people who are fucking 30, 35, 40, not doing shit. So you're just a kid trying to figure out thing. You'll figure out thing. Your parents will doubt, your friends will doubt, and everything will be there. And the only thing is that you just have to listen to it. All right, family sometimes give explanation that okay, this is what I'm planning. Explain them what you really have in a mind, and if they're able to understand, good. If they're not able to understand, still do it. You know, So, and apart from friends and all, if you have friends like that or like people like that, then don't hang out with them, right? So you're pretty small. I mean, you're a kid. So chill out, take your time, learn, and you will have thousands of funded account in future. One funded account, two funded account, fuck that shit. Nobody gives a shit about that funded account. Okay, half of the funded accounts and half of the companies are not even legit. They're just scamming you guys, like full fledged. Okay, so don't even feel bad about it. Uh, I think this time also they gave you like a very valid reason about the this no like family thing. The name you're not 18 and you took on, so that is valid. Sometime people clear account with all the discipline and this and that, and after that they'll give you some bullshit as reason, because that shit hurts. So yeah, just chill out. I mean, you're definitely doing something good, that you are able to clear and like trying to figure out what you really want to do. So you're above 90% of the people, or you're ahead of 90% of the people at your age. So chill the fuck up and go out, have fun, chill out. Yeah, so that was my that was my pravachan, brother. I hope you got it. But yeah, also like start watching good content, start consuming good content, start hanging out with nice people, good people who are really like aligned with your thoughts and shit. And I would suggest just do the do the best that you can do, and also start working out. Have that mind muscle coordination, that really helps. And jerk off 3 times a day. Don't do that. But stay away from bitches, bro. Like that shit will take you down. So yeah. Logically, I'm not gonna buy lower period, but from that pip now I'm turning 18. I'm very fair. Funded pip slippage commission करता है. Funded pip is good. Not bad. I have tried it. You can go for funded pip or funded next. They are all right, man. They have like a, I mean, the name is big, so they have some responsibilities. They can't be like shady as fuck, and anything goes wrong, you can put out there, put it out there in the universe that okay, this happened, and they also have the reputation to maintain. So don't worry about it. I mean, you'll be all right. Just take funded next or funded pip. Yep. So that was it. And whatever I said, it was just from my perspective, like how I think about the situation. But like definitely you must have things going on for yourself. I can't be in your shoes and think like you, but this is the most I can do from from like my perspective, that what I just mentioned. So yeah, uh, there is a song going on in the background. Are you guys able to hear that shit? अगर हाँ तो मैं बताऊँ, मैं बंद कराता हूँ. Dude, I'm gonna do with this $12. This is what Sunday does, man. Saturday is to 5K, two step again. No, okay, good. 5K, go for it. One step, two step. Who gives a fuck? But one step अगर रहा तो best है. Or else you can do one thing. Put the money. If you know that if you are doing good, and like if you have like a good setups, and you can control your mind, you can not fuck up, you cannot do over trading, and you can be in discipline and this and that, you can directly trade with real money if you have some. So yeah, that is also you can consider doing, because then that is a cash that you have, and like if you win you can withdraw it anytime. If you don't, then you just can't. So yeah, but yeah, you can trade with real money also. That is also fine. Find some good broker. I already told you. Go with Mazi Finance. Spreads are very low. Zero spreads actually. Commission is very low. I don't have that much amount. 5K, dude. You're buying a 5K account. I mean, that shit costs too, like 5k. Also, for the beginner, it's all right. You can trade with 5k, not bad. But like you won't be able to take big positions. That's the only thing. You'll have to like move like a kachua. But fine, dude. Go with funded account. That's nice. So this shit is trying to manipulate over here. Okay. I would say I wait for the distribution for some time. So let's wait. Not not that way. That way. That way. I'm just aiming for the aiming for the high, because this was a retest that market did, and I'm pretty sure it wants to go up because the overall perspective is bullish. It went up. That was a trend line that created above. Market went to that level and retested off of that area. Market, the way market fell, it does not look like it wanted to fall. It looked like that it wanted to invite the sellers, and that's why when market rejected off of the area that is down there, we bought it from that level. Okay, bro, wild, it is wild normally, brother. Normally the XM and the shit hits. And also, I'm not even worried about the fucking spread. Just the slippage is beautiful. It'll fuck you in the ass. Simple as that. That's why once I'm done, I'm gonna withdraw the amount or whatever it is. I am not gonna trade with XM. Simple as that. I am gonna go for Mazi Finance. The only thing with Mazi Finance, they fucker don't have their portal as of now. The portal that you can see right now, they don't have that because they're kind of fucking new to the market or whatever it is. Not new, but like they're working on it. I don't know why does it take so long to like just build a portal for yourself. Because I trade, I have to show people that I'm taking a trade. This is my like lot size, this is my profit, this is my entry, this is my exit, because I can't do without the proof. So that's why I have to log into this XM because they have a portal. XM does not have. That's the only reason. Maybe consolidation and making equal, could be, dude, could be. Abhi to, when BTC is moving like this, I am like, okay, I'll wait, but I have to take some money home. I have to feed the kids, dude. I'm just kidding. Got no kids. But yeah, the sleepage is crazy, bro. Dinesh, you बराबर बोला भाई, बराबर बोला. Let's go 25 USD. During weekends, trading is crazy. I'm just doing it because I'm live streaming. If I would have not live streamed, I would have not fucking traded today. Honestly, no cap, okay? Everybody who's watching, uh, like, share, don't share, fuck that shit. Like and what is it? Subscribe. Yep, subscribe. uh, I mean, this level will get hit easily. Just have to wait after that thoda time. This level might get hit soon. Let's see. Dinesh, will you do gold in Asian session on Monday? Yeah, brother, for fucking sure. Bro, that day, I think morning में हम आए थे, it was crazy. The amount of people are watching, 30, 35 people, like, they were watching and like giving all the love, showing all the love. We took a trade, we won that trade, and the movement, it was not much of manipulation. I mean, the market was moving nicely, so I would come, man. I would come. I am gonna fix my schedule for the morning and for the night, but morning may I will come definitely daily, whole week, next whole week, next 1 month, next 1 year. I'm gonna come live in the morning because I think there are not many people in the morning that comes live, but I will come definitely. Fuck schedule, fuck sleep schedule, everything. I anyway sleep late, so doesn't really matter. Yeah, so I think Dinesh was there that day. Also, guys, quick plug-in. As you know that I also make videos. So recently, this is a video that I uploaded about BTC. Okay, so go watch that shit and understand why it is happening. Okay, and if you are an investor who want to invest for a long time, do not buy BTC right now. It will take some time. You might able to see one more bounce before the all-time high. So don't be in rush. Okay, crazy, nice. It is gonna if this fair 5 minute fair value gap is gonna cross, market is gonna cross that, then we might able to see this very much soon. Simple as that. But yeah, the spread is crazy, man. Honestly, the spread is fucking crazy, dude. And we might trail this one because we have that trend line up there. Market might cross that because we have another liquidity pool that has to take out from the other side. But yeah. Also, like, I want to ask, is it like that hard to believe that we were at $2,000 with this account? Is it like that hard to believe? Because one of my friend called me and like he was like, yeah, I was telling my friend that there's this guy who's my friend and the account was at 2k and now it is like 42k or something like that, and he's like, nah bro, nahi ho sakta, kuch to fishy hoga, ye hoga, wo hoga. And then he was trying to make him understand that कि भाई सब trades stream पे लिए हुए हैं, मतलब सारे trade stream पे थे. And I was like, अगर मैं stream नहीं करता इन सब चीज़ों का तो like would people believe that someone can really grow the 2k account to 40k without gambling, like with proper risk management and like fucking daily stream? That's crazy, dude. That is insane. What I'm gonna do with this candle, bhai? क्या है? What the fuck is this? The hell is this? The hell is this? 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute. The hell is this? Okay, that's it now. That's it now. Flip that shit. That's it. Okay. No coming below that level. No coming below that level. Does not suit you. BTC, fucking BTC, reverse, 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 reverse. Okay, good. थोड़ा movement आया but wrong direction में है, but that is fine. Don't be surprised if we see this breakout and market coming to this level and rejecting from this level. So don't be surprised if that happens. I mean, यहाँ से एक और entry plan हो सकती है if people have not bought it, but fine. Nope. Nope. What is this consolidation at this area, dude? Does not make any sense. I get it that it wants to come to this level, but it has to at least come to the breaker block. Simple as that. 2 minute, we still have 2 minutes. This candle might reject. Let's see from where we bought. Actually, I can just mark the level. 68,281. 68. 281. This is a level. This is a level, right? 281. Okay. I guess we'll see then. Six. No. Enough, dude. वहाँ से reject नहीं हो सकता. If even though if it wants to come down, I think this is a breaker block that it has to come to this one. It can take support of this area. This one. ठीक है? This is the maximum I can expect from BTC right now. Rejecting off of that area, simple as that. And once it's gonna reject off of that area, the next target is definitely this. That is like a TP1 for us. I think how much profit that is. $80. Not gonna wait for that. We'll definitely go for something more than that, something very pure and nice. We'll go for this. Fuck that shit. $300, fine. Some fine, no. Not expecting much, and if you guys are like buying, that's completely fine. And the stop loss also not that big. It is kind of big, but I'm fine with it. That much we can risk on Saturday, I feel. ठीक है, थोड़ा रुक जाओ, अभी थोड़ा मूवमेंट आएगा, अभी थोड़ा तो ढीला चल रहा है. Let me just go analyze. Do you want me to analyze anything else? Do you want me to like go for Ethereum or some? Ethereum, okay. How is it looking here? Okay, it is kind of bullish at this point. Honestly, not gonna lie, the structure is kind of similar to the BTC here, and there is a lot of resting liquidity pending at this area. Market will go to that level. The only thing is that it will not go directly. It has to reject off of this area one more time, I would say, because there is this level that market is at right now. So it is like a do or die situation for Ethereum. Okay, so you see this candle is rejected from this level, and from here it can go up. I'll tell you, right? This can be the ultimate trade, and I'll tell you the reason behind it. Okay, so you see this, that market came to went to that level, and it has like went to that level before also. Market उस level पे पहले भी जा चुका है. This was the level, right? That market went before again, and this like a third time it is going to that level. And वहाँ से we saw this black candle that is market created, and ये candle बहुत छोटी नहीं थी. अगर तुम ध्यान से देखोगे, अगर इसे points create calculate तुम करोगे, it is like a lot, right? But the only thing is that अगर जैसे ही यहाँ से market नीचे आया, यहाँ से rejection हुआ, the only thing was the rejection happened because of that it has this FVG that is resting here. Okay, market came, tapped into that FVG and reversed off of that area. So that is like a good sign that we might able to see one or at least like two candles right here. Okay, so let's see if we are fucking gonna buy what is this. We're not buying as of now. Okay, let's observe this and let's keep this as a drawing. Okay, so we're not buying, this is just a drawing that I'm making, but this is my overall perspective that it has to go to that level because there is a lot of resting liquidity that is pending there, and also market came and like rejected off of the 5 minute 1 hour 1 hour fair value gap, right? So that is also a good sign. So 5 minute mein you'll be able to see the market is creating something like this. Okay, so यहाँ से एक अच्छा खासा ब्रेकआउट आ सकता है तुरंत. So I don't mind buying it. Let me just go ahead and buy this shit also. uh, where is Ethereum? Wow, 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 wow. Fuck that shit. Wow. Really, really. मैंने कहाँ बाय किया था? मैंने कहाँ से बाय किया है? Can anyone tell me? Can anyone fucking tell me from where I bought it? Here, right? ये इधर क्यों चला गया? Oh my god, bro. Like literally, you see this? Focus on BTC right now. It did created a good support at that level, and the support is about to break. But I feel like it's gonna yeah, it is reversing off for that area. I don't mind market coming to this level, but this is the only level that I can expect that market should come to. And उसके नीचे तो I don't think so, because उसके नीचे अगर जाता है then I would cut the trade, but it should not go below that, because as of now it has created that W pattern that always really works. And the reason is very simple, that okay, forget, the explanation will do later, because I think फ्री में सब explanation अगर दे दो ना तो थोड़ा रिवील हो जाती चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा. बट नो इश्यूज, यू गाइज आर like family, so no issues, we'll tell you that also. But the only thing is that यहाँ से अगर इस level पे जाने के लिए इतना समय लग रहा है, then how much is the volume right now in the BTC? Because the volume should be kind of high. It is Saturday night, I get it, but like volume should be more high, because $15 is nothing, right? And this level to man has to like take out like very quickly, no? Because we saw this, like, when market was falling, it was falling like crazy, and now it's time to go up, it is like moving very slow. Maybe the time it is like 10:36 right now. Maybe we have to wait for some 10 to 15 minutes that we might able to see market going to that level. But yeah, right now we can just wait and sit back and relax. That's the only thing that we can do. 5 USD profit that is running right now, and not really happy about it, but okay, fine. What do you expect on Saturday night? Dude, I used to go party, like, do all this crazy shit on Saturday. What am I doing now? What happened to me? Did I fell off? I guess. No, 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 no. Fucking hell, dude. No. It was here, right? No, 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 no. what was the SL ka point? 68107, 68107, 68107. No, we can't do that much. We can't do that much. Fine only, not bad. If I'm expecting market to go to that level, then this much loss we can take. Okay, this is like a 15-minute candle right now, and you'll be able to see this candle is 5-minute candle. The 2 minute is still there. The last के 2 minute में there is a high possibility this candle will turn into green fully, and we might able to see this is turning into profit very much soon, right? Because right now going to that level and rejecting off of that level, the only thing that makes sense is that this has no wick, right? So whenever you will be able to see market has any candle has no wick, market will travel to that level definitely, because there are some order pending at that area, right? Same here also, you see market came to that level. कोई भी ऐसा नहीं होगा कभी जहाँ पर विक नहीं है और उस लेवल पे मार्केट ट्रैवल नहीं किया है, राइट? दिस हैज़ नो विक एंड मार्केट वेंट एंड ट्रैवल्ड इनटू दैट लेवल. This has no wick, market came and traveled into that level. This has no wick, market came and traveled into that level. So it always happens. It's like a very basic thing that happens in the market. But I'm at least happy that market is giving us some sort of movement, not in our favor, but it is giving, right? So what we can speculate out of this, right? Market is rejecting, and it might reject more because we have 1 minute left, and we might see this candle turning into fully green, right? Full red flag to green flag in like more than 2 minutes. That is crazy. So yeah, right now everybody like the stream, guys. तुम लोग stream like करोगे तो नए लोग आएंगे. You are getting my point? Like the stream. Everybody just fucking like the stream. Yeah. This does not look good at all. Honestly, I'm telling you. It should reject more, man. 30 seconds? What are we gonna do with 30 seconds? No, right? Nothing. I'll just go get water. Hold up. तुम लोग इस पे ध्यान दो. Okay, I'm back. I think we should switch to 5 minute. 1 minute is just not it. Today. I like 1 minute in general, but today it is just not it. कोई moment भी नहीं आ रहे अच्छे तो like. But yeah, we have to take that profit no matter what, and we are aiming for that. And I hope we'll be able to see some sort of movement now, because TP1, it should not take too much time for TP1. TP1 should be that easy. What are we guys doing? What you guys doing? Are you guys planning to buy, sell? What are you guys doing? Also, I want to know what do you guys think is the best time to come live? Anyone in the chat can answer this. What do you think is the best time to come live? This one candle was about to take all the stop loss because it wants to go up. It would have not done it otherwise. If it wanted to come down, it would have not done it. And also you see that market has rejected off of that area multiple times. 1 2 3 4. This is like a fourth candle that rejected off of that area. And the only thing we can hope right now that this candle will give us some sort of momentum so we can move forward with it. Let's focus on this. What is Ethereum doing? Is it happening? हमने जो बोला था. It has this line, dude. It has to break this line first. It has to break this line first. My bad. बेटा इसको थोड़ा इधर कर देता हूँ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Alright, much better. Oh my god, dude, so boring, so slow. Nice. Noise. Better. ठीक है, not bad. I would still want it to go to the breaker block that is sitting next to it. Also, the one not a very good thing about this portal XM that they have, I think they don't have time, no, for the per candle. Like अब मुझे पता नहीं इस कैंडल में कितने सेकंड्स बचे हैं जो मैं इधर देख सकता हूँ. जैसे 2.5 मिनट बचे हैं, राइट? तो मैं वहाँ पे नहीं देख सकता. Do you know, like, is there any setting that I can change that? I think there should be, but 0.28 USD is the no. Whoa. Positive. Positive. I think TP1 can get hit easily. TP2 भी हो जाना चाहिए था. I mean, are we really fighting for the $300 dude? But fucking hell, it's okay, it's all right. It's Saturday. 30,000 या 25,000. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Okay, I'll sleep. Okay, you guys wake me up. Okay, I woke up. Okay, I'm sleeping now. Wake me up when we'll hit TP2, okay? Yeah, someone gave me the option. What is, go to setting option, click on the एक खुशखबरी बता आपका स्ट्रीम रिकमेंडेशन में आया मेरे यूट्यूब खोलते हैं. डैम, लेट्स गो कबीर. थैंक यू सो मच मैन. दैट, मैं सो रहा था, लोग आ रहे, मैं जाग रहा हूँ, लोग जा रहे. व्हाट द फक. चल ठीक है, थैंक यू सो मच मैन. शिवम, आई विल डू दैट. यूट्यूब इज रिकमेंडिंग और व्हाट? हाँ हाँ, फकर इज रिकमेंडिंग और व्हाट? That's nice, man. Subscribe to the channel, Kabir. If you're here, subscribe to the channel, man. We come live daily. We do this shit for a living. Today is just a chill day, man. It's just a chill day because it's Saturday. So, like, can't do much. Okay, I'm sleeping. Okay, people will come back now. Let's see. Okay, bye. Good night. I'll wake up at 20 watching. Okay, let's see. But how you guys gonna like wake me up? Just spam wake up. I'll wake up. Okay. Bye. Okay, my bad. I thought they came. Look up right side. There is giving setting option. Yeah, yeah. I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it later, man. You know, people say like how good thing it is that you're sleeping and the money is flowing. You're making money. But what the fuck is this? I'm sleeping and the money is going. What the fuck is this? Uh, Hello, brother. Anil. Anil, right? Yup. Okay, I'm sleeping, guys. Wake me up, okay? Or should we do some fun? Or should we like listen to some song? What song do you guys want to listen to? Tell me. How about Emi Bantai? Oh, bhai saab. Today I'll BTC. It happens, brother. It's okay. It's okay. Saturday I don't count. The profit I don't count. The loss I don't count. Saturday ka I don't count anything only. I'm just chilling. $80? That's crazy, man. Come tomorrow. We'll make triple of that together on live stream. No cap. Okay? Also, I hope the new people I can see. The Shivam is new. The Kabir is new. The Anil is new. I think so many new people here. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, man. Make sure you like turn on the notification and come live whenever I'll be live. And that means the world to me. Simple as that. Okay, I'm sleeping. Enough up. Okay. Should I put the stop loss, dude? But like कितना ही loss होगा? ऐसी movement तो है नहीं उसमें. Anil is a new subscriber. Shout out you, bro. I got the notification. Should I put the subscriber thing right here somewhere? Like whenever people wants to like subscribe or like do something. Should I put it somewhere here? I also want to add 2-3 things, man. Like whenever people subscribe, I want their name to pop up on the screen first thing. Second thing I want to do is the sound effects. So I want to do that. I'll do it. I'll do it. It's fun. It's fun. What else I want to do? Yeah, that much only. सुपर चैट तो आई थिंक ट्रेडिंग में किसी को सुपर चैट मिलती नहीं है बट आई डोंट वांट सुपर चैट दैट्स ओके. ट्रेडिंग इज द ओनली लाइव स्ट्रीम जहाँ पर लोग सुपर चैट देते ही नहीं है. आई डोंट नो सम पीपल माइट बट आई डोंट नो. आई हैवंट सीन पीपल टेकिंग सुपर चैट. लाइक ट्रेडर वो खुद इतना बना रहा है वो क्यों सुपर चैट लेगा. ओके मैं स्टॉप लॉस लगाता हूँ रुक जाओ ठीक है थोड़ा फन करते हैं. लेट्स पुट द स्टॉप लॉस ईयर ओके 123. So it's like 1:2 only, not that much, ठीक है. And like ज़्यादा expect कर भी नहीं रहा मैं. So now this is nice. This is nice. It is trapping. It is not even moving. It is not even moving. What do you mean trapping? Please make it so it will be fun to watch. Either in yeah, exactly. It will be fun, dude. It will be fun. Okay, I'm sleeping. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen, guys. When I'm saying I'm sleeping, I'm actually sleeping. I'm very sleepy. Okay, I didn't sleep today. I was too busy doing that. I can't tell you all. But yeah. Okay. Good night. Hmm. Yeah, it is cool. Oh, this candle went up, kya? Just hit the TP, man. Just fucking at least TP one. This is like a one habit I have. Like whenever I take a trade, um, very rare it goes against me. Honestly, I'm telling you because this account, you might not know, but this account is at 42,000 right now, and we grew this account from 2K. So like rarely I go wrong. The only thing is that like uh, what I was saying, I forgot. Flex करते करते भूल गया क्या बोल रहा था मैं. Yeah, so I was saying कि I don't change my TP, I don't change my SL, you know, and that really gives you the dopamine hit, like because you don't flip or you don't overthink. Like it's just like a, I feel it's very good that some people just take a trade and they just go offline. They just don't look at it. That is also good exercise to do actually. Uh, I took my trade at your target. Oh, acha. It might not actually. Yeah. Um, if you want to make an entry, wait for this to break. ठीक है? You can still go for it, no stress. But yeah, that would be more safe. Today's bad day for me. Why did you take trade on Saturday, brother? Like I'm live streaming, that's why I'm trading. If I would have like not live streamed, I would have not took any trade. Um, yeah, just chill out. Saturday, Sunday, have fun. Come back on Monday and like you'll be able to see new movement, new market, everything new. So that's good. Okay. Someone asked on working day it is bit tough to trade. So I prefer over a weekend. Not sure how market actually behaves over the weekend. Just getting started. Any advice? Okay. So Anil, the thing is that man, like if you're trading on weekend, market will be very slow, and I mean, it will not give you the momentum that you really want, and like the setups, it will not create more of the setups that you really want. I would suggest definitely like you might be working on weekdays. Uh, so how about you going for session that is like free for you? I mean, if you have like a afternoon ka work or like evening ka work, go for a like Tokyo session in like a morning Asia session, right? It also like had like a 2 hour period where it moves pretty nice. You can understand setups and highs and lows, and you can really capture some good moves. And I come live in the morning also, so you can join that. Second thing, if you are like working in the afternoon or morning, you can go for like a New York session. And also market moves till 1 2, dude. 1 2, honestly I'm telling you, the people who are like just try to take at 7 8 and 9 and nothing like that, brother. Market can move crazy after 9 10 11. At 12 also it moves crazy sometime. Gold I'm especially talking about. So don't even think that कि अच्छा मतलब you know मतलब टाइम आपका शिफ्ट टाइम या जो भी टाइम वो क्या है उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. बट या यू माइट एबल टू सी मोर on weekdays. Weekend तो यार it just like banks are off, like everything is closed, the market is not open, people are chilling, so market is also chilling that day. Okay. Nice. 25 27 G's in the bank. let it break. I think this one candle can break this more easy. 33. Okay, all right, not bad. One candle can give you 33 pips. Sorry, 33 profit. That is good. This is this candle, right? Uh, I'm kind of this about this candle because last के 2 minute में it can might show its real color. Even though it's going pretty nice and I like it, like I still have to wait for it. It really wants to break that level. Honestly, I'm telling you, it really wants to break that level. But if it's gonna break, then it can move crazy. You saw it is accumulating a lot. It was accumulating a lot before this candle. The whole this U shape was accumulation the whole time, right? Now, if you can say we can see the breakout, then it will definitely go to the target that we have. 1:2 only, not much weekend पे तो, because और बड़ा ट्रेड लूँगा तो और ज़्यादा रुकना पड़ेगा, like you know. So yeah. 32. Not sure what this candle really is up to, but it should have just do this now. Mm, 33. It is struggling at that level, honestly. Yeah, but you know the movement is kind of slow, so we're just like, what? Is BTC is stuck? What happened to trading view? Oh yeah, ठीक है. Finally, it was stuck, dude. ठीक है. We did cross that level. Not bad. We did cross the 5 minute fair value gap. It did before actually, but this is like a time that it actually crossed it. So there is a possibility that it can go to the breaker block very much soon. Okay. So if you guys are holding, then if you guys are holding, make sure you be cautious about the breaker block. Okay. Because I'll tell you the reason, okay? Very high chances of this happening. Wait, wait. TP1 is done officially. Yep, I told you, be cautious about the breaker block. Um, 67 USDT, not that much, but all right. Still holding on to this. ठीक है. Low chances of rejecting. Continue हो सकता है ऊपर. But this structure is very strong. जैसे मैंने पहले बोला था, ये वाला structure बहुत strong है. But no, as I told you, yep, it did break out. 105. Book your profits if you're into the trade. Book your profits. Book your fucking profits if you are into the trade. 1:1 is done. Going for that 1:2 right now. Five seconds. It is still rejecting off of that area. We want the body to close above this level, simple as that. Then we can expect this level to go, because right now if it is going to reject off of this area, then the structure that I mentioned before, that is very strong, right? So we won't be able to hold this for a long time because of the structure, simple as that. And right now it is moving pretty all right, but this candle, if it is going to come to this level also, it should reject off of this area, then it will look more good. I would say TP1 is booked. Okay. Breaker block is there. It might reject, might come to the level, might not able to create the fair value gap. Agar if it wants to create a fair value gap, then that is not the good. I subscribed it. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much, Shivam. Really appreciate that. But subscribe ke sath sath, make sure you turn on the notification, because whenever I'll come live, then you'll be able to get the notification. Wow, very poetic. But I feel like it cannot reject off of this area because liquidity is right there. It is there. If it wanted to reject off of this area, it would have directly gone to this level. It would have not rejected off of this. You're getting my point. So yeah, if you're guys into the like a long position here, make sure you at least book your partials. Okay, otherwise just keep it, no issues. Make sure you do at least break even. Sorry, yeah, at least go for zero loss. Okay, because then worst case scenario, if the trade does not go with like the way you want, you lose nothing, simple as that. So the risk is zero. Go for zero risk and hold this. If it's gonna break this level also, let me give you the overall perspective on this trade, right? if it's gonna this it was rejecting of this area multiple times. This is like a bullish move, right? It might do some sort of here and there at this point, but let me tell you, once market is gonna reject off of this area now, like if it's gonna cross this area now, this is liquidity pool, this is liquidity pool, there is a lot of liquidity sitting here, man. This is a major liquidity pool that is sitting here. Market has to go to that level any fucking how, and it is going slowly. You'll be able to see that manipulating, going up, going down, right? But yeah, this is the right position that we are holding, and don't even think कि यहाँ पे तुम कट कर सकते हो, उसके बाद भी अगर तुम होल्ड कर सकते हो तो go for it, man. No stress, because there is a lot of liquidity pending at that area, as I mentioned before, and we did rejected off of this area, so there is no fucking breaker block. It's not gonna come down from here, it's only going up. And right now you'll be able to see we have created this fair value gap at this point, and I don't mind market just creating this wick and then going up from here. Let's see. Also there is this 5-minute FEG that is here. I don't want market to like do this, that is also another thing that we have to be cautious about. 1 minute left for this one. Let's hold this and let's see how it's gonna be. The only thing is that it is taking too much time. It should not take that much time. That's it. Nothing else. Nothing else is bothering. 11:19. Okay. Can we hit this? Can we hit this on live stream? Can we hit this shit? How much is the profit, right? $91. Okay, cool. It was at 100, but I mean on weekend $100 is not bad. Honestly, I'm telling you. $100 on weekend is not harming anyone. Does not look good at all, but let me find out the reason why this happened. Okay, so right here the 15-minute candle is still there, right? And if it wants to create a FEG, it has to come to this level. So the wick should be at this level in order for it to not create an FEG. So can we see market coming to this level and rejecting off of this area? So that can happen too. Either it is that or it is just changing the structure, simple as that. Again taking too much time. Let's see, let's wait for more 5 minutes and let's see if we can see some sort of retracement of this area. Okay, it is taking a lot of time, honestly, no cap, it is taking a lot of time. All right. Boys and boys. It's too much time. Okay, we did waited for some time. We did hit TP1 on live stream, We are gonna wait for the TP2. The results I will share on my community, so make sure you join the community. The link is in description. That is a telegram community that I have. So इसका जो रिजल्ट है मैं टेलीग्राम पे शेयर कर दूंगा विद द प्रॉफिट एंड विद ऑल द स्क्रीनशॉट. ठीक है. Not much momentum, बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम भी ले रहा है अभी. I have to go like eat food and go to gym, so I'll do that. But everybody watching the stream, thank you so much for joining, man. I really appreciate that. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll be coming live daily tomorrow afternoon. I'll see you, and also Monday morning 6 p.m. sorry 6 a.m. I'll see you, and also at 8:30 p.m. in the night. Okay. I'll be increasing the time, and let's see how it really goes with us. Okay. Thank you so much for showing all the love. Thank you so much for subscribing, coming, and God bless you all. Make sure you eat right, work on yourself, and make that back. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching the stream, and I'll see you again. Bye bye.